Hello there, Diorama Don here again with a brand new project. A few videos ago I made this gun emplacement, apparently a famous gun emplacement still in place on Omaha Beach in Normandy in France. So that was quite popular. I had quite a few views watch that. So I made another one. You may find that if you're interested, you may find the video in my list of videos if you look. So that was another gun emplacement. That was also fairly popular. But then I made Ramel Church, which is the church in the movie Saving Private Ryan, and there was a lot of interest in that. A lot of people were interested in the fact that it was part of a movie, I suppose. So that led me on to making the bridge in Saving Private Ryan, the bridge where Tom Hanks dies at the, spoiler alert there, where Tom Hanks meets his demise at the end of the movie. So that's Ramel Bridge. And both of those were very, very popular. So it made sense to me. Let me just move this out of the way. It made sense to me to make the gun emplacement that Tom Hanks' crew take over when they just get off Omaha Beach. So if I show you what I mean, it's that there's the crew all lined up ready to take the machine gun post, really, and then if I go here, that's the other side of it where they dispose of the occupants. So that's what I intend to make. And going from that photo, I've cut some styrofoam that is basically that kind of shape. That would be the better way around. So that's the start off shape of the back of the machine gun post. It's on a hill, so we're going to have an angled piece. If I can remember how it goes. Oh dear, is that it? Yeah, something like that. No, yeah, like that. No, that way. So that will go there, and that will have to be radiused all the way. Because of the radius here, it follows along the length of the building. So that will have to be radiused, and at the other end of it is the actual lookout post, and that will go there, something like that, and then another fill-in piece there. I know all these little bits and pieces don't make any sense at all, but if I glue all these together, these pieces, then it will give you an idea of the shape that we're trying to achieve. So I'll go ahead and put these together, and we'll take it from there. So we'll put all the pieces together now. Cut that radius all the way along. I need to fill some of this in. It's a bit of a rough cut there. But that's the front of it. It went together quite easily. I glued it together with wall filler. It seems to stick styrofoam together better than PVA glue. So I shall use wall filler for the glue. So that's the basic shape of it. So there's the front where they attack it from the beach, and then there are some steps going down to the side there with some kind of building to the back of it there. But there are no photos of that to work from, so I'm going to have to keep going over the movie, starting the movie to see what to do next. But we've got the basic shape anyway. I'm rather pleased with that. So I'll give it a coat of thin wall filler anyway to make it all white, and then give it a coating of grey grout with a bit of PVA glue in, which will help it to stick to the styrofoam, which will give it a concrete effect. And I need to score the lines of the bricks that make up the whole building. So I'll do that. Well, I apologise for those people that are watching how I do this stage by stage. I just got carried away. Once I start, I can't stop. So I've almost finished. So this is by looking at the film, the movie Saving Private Ryan, you just get a fleeting glimpse of this shield as they're normally coming out of the gun emplacement. This is a protective shield, so I'll put that in, and the steps leading down into the building itself. There are two air vents that I've put in that you can see quite clearly in the movie. For the stones, I've just marked out with a pencil and gouged out the lines into the styrofoam, and then put a coating of grey tile grout over the top. But it still needs quite a bit of work doing to it. I've set it into a what have I set it into? A rock foundation. So this will be the rock leading down to the beach. Obviously it was a lot higher than that in the movie, but this is just for diorama purposes. So this will be rock along the bottom there, and you can see the actual front of the building there, where they jump out when they're on fire, just before they go up onto the mainland itself. So this is where we're at. I'm being very careful because some of this is still quite wet. The front is still, it takes a long time for this to dry. But generally this is almost the finished object. So I'll project rather. So I'll wait for this to dry and carry on and complete to the end, and then I'll show you once more the completed thing. But in the meantime, just a quick look around. I really need one of those revolving like a turntable, don't I, that goes around nice and slowly, but I haven't got one of those. So I have to do it manually, but you get the idea anyway. So I'll finish off and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, mission accomplished. All finished now. We've got the shell holes in the front there, barbed wire along the side, and the steps going down into the machine gun post. There are, when in the movie, when they come out or run out of the machine gun post on fire, they run this way and up try to get up some stairs here. But I haven't put those in. I don't think that's absolutely necessary. One flight of stairs is difficult enough. Anyway, that's my version of the machine gun post from Saving Private Ryan. If you've enjoyed the video, then please click subscribe. You'll be informed when I put new videos up. So please click the button. And I'll be back with a new video in a few days' time. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you again, and happy modelling.